The UM-SBC-207 is probably one of the most versatile rack mount kits we offer. Here you can fit up to 12 Raspberry Pis or similar SBCs. The height of the panel is 2 units and suited for all 19-inch racks. There are several mounting solutions for various Raspberry Pi or SBC configurations, with or without screens, keystones, buttons, fans and so on. The possibilities are almost endless. The assembly process is quite simple. It depends on the kit configuration you got or you want to accomplish. First of all, you should lay out and plan your setup with all SBCs, Raspberry Pis, keystones, displays and so on. Then you start mounting the equipment onto our special mounting brackets. We offer these brackets in almost every configuration you can imagine. For this video I've placed 4 Raspberry Pis, an Arduino Uno, a 3.5-inch touchscreen, an OLED screen, several buttons and keystones into this panel. After you've added all the components at the front of the panel, you can then add several fans for a perfect cooling solution. There is a special fan mounting rail at the back of the panel which can be adjusted to your needs. As you can see here, you got still plenty of space left at the back for mounting hard disk, power supplies or SSDs. To mount the UM-SBC-207 into the rack, you can either use the mounting holes at the front of the panel or use our dedicated rail system, which extends the server cabinet up to 200 mm.